Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast without butter. You might be surprised how easy it is to achieve that perfect golden brown finish and delicious flavor. We'll focus on a simple batter and the right cooking technique to ensure your French toast is never soggy, always delightful. Get ready to enjoy a lighter, yet equally satisfying breakfast treat that's perfect for any morning. Now let's create our simple yet effective batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, and a small pinch of salt. For that classic French toast aroma and taste, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix everything until it's perfectly smooth, with no streaks of egg white remaining. This is the foundation for our delicious, butter-free French toast. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or a large non-stick pan over medium heat. A crucial step for butter-free cooking is to lightly coat the surface with a non-stick cooking spray or a very thin layer of a neutral oil. Dip each bread slice briefly into the batter, letting excess drip off, then place it on the hot surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious, butter-free French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite toppings, whether that's fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Feel free to get creative with your batter next time, perhaps adding a dash of nutmeg or cardamom for a different flavor profile. Remember, for more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. You'll find a link to some amazing darn tough socks, which come with a lifetime warranty, plus other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.